So what's guys, Aravind from Aravind. So in this video, let's talk about phishing attack. So phishing is also a major cyber attack that happens. Many of people easily fall into the phishing attacks. So in this video, let's see what is phishing and how it works. And we are going to hack Instagram account by using this phishing attack. So before everything, this video is completely for educational purpose only. Never ever try the things that I am showing in this video to anybody without their permission, or else it will become a trouble to you. So if you're new here, I am Aravind, this is Mr. Aravind Tech. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to get notified. Okay guys, let's get into the video. So phishing is an attack that helps the hackers to get access of social media accounts. So phishing attack is happening through manipulating you. Hackers will manipulate you to log in your account into their fake sites. So let's see how people are easily fall into this phishing attack. So let's see. So this is the original Instagram page and this is the phishing Instagram page. So did you find any difference between these two? So these two are identically same. So that's why people are easily fall into the phishing attack. So hackers just took a real website and cloned the website into a fake one. So that's how this phishing attack happens, and they send the fake website links to you. If you just click on that link, means it will just looks like a real website. So you just go and log in it. So that's it. So on the second you click the login button, your credentials have sent it to hackers. So here hackers just manipulated you. Hackers just manipulated you by showing the fake website and making believe you that is a real website. So if you don't want to fall into this phishing attack, means first don't log in into your account or don't give your credentials on links that somebody will send you. When somebody sends a links to you and ask you to access, means don't believe those links. So before logging your account into a website, so you just want to check the URL of the website. So you just want to check the URL of the website. So this is a real Instagram page URL and this is the phishing Instagram page URL. So you can see some difference between the real and the fake. So whenever you are going to log in your account, means so you just want to check the URL of the website. So today we are going to hack a Instagram account by using this phishing attack. And one more thing, I can't able to upload the hacking tutorial on here on YouTube because of some community guidelines. I can't able to upload the hacking video on here. So that's why I'm going to upload the hacking video on my Instagram. I'm going to upload the hacking video on my Instagram page, on this Mr. Aravind Tech Instagram page. So the Instagram page link on description, go ahead and check the video on that page. So the Instagram account hacking video is on my Instagram page. So go there and check it out. So that's all this video. For this video informative to you. Got questions, ask them in comments, I will reply for you. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to get notified. Okay guys, I will catch you in another exciting video. And then signing off from Mr. Aravind Tech.